Greetings to all of you in YouTube land. This video is about my attempt at making an Android oscilloscope. This is something that I think is a tool which is very useful, and I've tried to spend a lot of time on figuring this out myself as far as trying to make this thing work, given the instructions in the videos that I've seen online. So this might not be the most organized video. It's been quite a long time since I've actually made one of these, especially anything remotely like this. So I welcome any feedback that you have as far as anything that you may see that's wrong as far as trying to make this device. I would be most grateful for any feedback that anyone can provide me with. I'm just going to show a little bit about how far I've gotten into this, and hopefully somebody will be able to give me some feedback as far as what I'm doing wrong. So this first thing that I have here is it's just a makeshift circuit with 2 resistors, and this is like a makeshift power supply that I made from just a regular wall charging plug for a smartphone, like for a Samsung or a Hui. And so there is power. It is live right now, and I'm just going to show, if I can, an example of that. So let's just take a look here and see if I can hold this and just show that there is power to the circuit. So I don't want to get shocked, and we can see about 4.5 volts there, and over here it's about half a volt. I don't know if it's going to allow me to get in here. It was actually a little bit more when I tested it, but it keeps moving. So anyways, this is the little test circuit that I made, and I was trying to see if I could get a signal in the app for this device, this Android oscilloscope app. So I'm going to plug that in just a minute and then connect it, and then you're going to see how far I've gotten in essentially the dead end that I'm at. So, as you can see here, this is the oscilloscope app. I found this in the app store, and I have it all hooked up here, given the instructions that I saw in the video. So this resistor here is about 10,000 ohms, and then the other one is 100,000 ohms. So it's at a 10-to-1 ratio. What I did was I went through and I didn't know which was which as far as which of these leads went to the mic jack here. So I tested each one of them to find out that, you know, this ring is this wire here, is this wire here, this first one, and this one here, and then the second ring is this one right here. So I'm just going to plug this back in like so, and as you can see, it says no signal detected. No signal detected. So here I do have it hooked up to that resistor, which was reading approximately 4.5 volts, excuse me, on the multimeter, the voltmeter, and I have no reading. I believe I've done everything correct, but like I said, it's just not. This app is just not working. Like I said, I welcome any feedback that anybody has, maybe that's done this project successfully, or can suggest some type of alternative or something that I'm missing. But as you can see here, I mean, everything is wired on the board correctly from what I can tell. I'll just zoom in just a little bit more here, so you can see, I mean, I've got the connections correct. So hopefully I can get some good feedback that can help me out, and if I do, I'll certainly do an update video. So I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this, and I want to thank you in advance for any help that you're able to give me. So thanks for watching.